welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to monitor CPU temperature in HWMonitor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go and download HWMonitor. Once you download HWMonitor in your device, all you gotta do is simply set up a zip file of it. You need to follow the installation process and simply operate it. After you have done this, you need to simply open the program and view the temperature. The main window will populate with data. Simply scroll down to find your CPU, which will be listed under either Intel or AMD. Now you can locate the temperature section under your CPU. After you have done this, you need to understand the reading. You need to look at the current temperature at the exact point, the lowest temperature recorded since the program was started, the highest temperature recorded since the program was started, and the package or the core of the temperatures that can be shown. You can use the View menu to clear the minimum and maximum values to start fresh monitoring. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.